What's up?
Just hanging out.
Where you been?
Around, just busy.
Who's your go-to person?
My best friend.
Why'd you do that?
Just felt like it.
What's your favorite snack?
Chips, for sure.
Where'd you go yesterday?
To the park.
Who told you that?
My brother.
When's the next holiday?
Coming up soon.
How's school going?
Pretty good.
What you been listening to?
Mostly pop music.
Where'd you grow up?
Right here in New York.
Who'd you have lunch with?
Just some friends.
Why do you like the summer?
It's warm and fun.
What did you do last weekend?
Went swimming.
Where do you want to go?
Hawaii someday.
Who's your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man.
When's your birthday?
In June.
What kind of movies you like?
Mostly adventure.
Where's your favorite spot to chill?
The park.
Who makes the best sandwiches?
Me, honestly.
How do you feel today?
Pretty good, thanks.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Where'd you go on vacation?
Florida last time.
Why you love music?
It just feels right.
What you think of that movie?
It was awesome.
Where's your dream place?
Somewhere tropical.
Who'd you look up to as a kid?
My dad.
How's the weather?
Nice and sunny.
What you doing tomorrow?
Probably just chilling.
Where do you feel most relaxed?
At the beach.
Who's your favorite teacher?
My math teacher.
What's your go-to drink?
Lemonade.
Where do you want to visit next?
Europe, maybe.
How do you handle stress?
A good book helps.
What's your favorite song?
It changes a lot.
Where'd you go for a day out?
Maybe the zoo.
Who's the funniest person you know?
My brother.
When's the last time you laughed?
Just a minute ago.
What you like to draw?
Mostly animals.
Were you planning to go this weekend?
Maybe the movies.
Who you hanging out with later?
Just some friends.
What's your favorite animal?
Lions.
When do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Why you like spicy food?
It's exciting.
Where'd you get that shirt?
At the mall.
Who's your favorite artist?
Changes all the time.
How's life treating you?
Not bad at all.
What's your favorite season?
Summer.
Where would you build a treehouse?
In a big, old tree.
Who'd you love to meet someday?
A famous artist.
How's your dog doing?
He's great.
What do you do for fun?
Play guitar, mostly.
Where'd you buy that?
At the store nearby.
Who makes the best food?
My mom.
Why you like cartoons?
They're just funny.
How's your weekend so far?
Pretty chill.
What time's dinner?
Around 7.
Where's your favorite pizza place?
The one near school.
Who taught you to cook?
Mostly my mom.
Why'd you pick that outfit?
It's comfy.
When's your next test?
Next week.
What's your favorite candy?
Gummy bears.
Where'd you last go camping?
In the mountains.
Who's your favorite singer?
Can't pick just one.
How's your guitar practice?
Getting better.
What's your favorite sport?
Swimming.
Where do you study?
At the library or home.
Who makes you smile?
My friends.
Why you like puzzles?
They're challenging.
When you going to sleep?
Around 11, probably.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Where's your favorite hangout spot?
The park.
Who's someone you admire?
My dad.
How's your day going?
Not bad.
What's something you like to bake?
Cookies.
Where'd you go on your last trip?
To the lake.
Who's your favorite character?
Probably Elsa from Frozen.
When do you do homework?
Right after school.
What's the best part of your day?
Seeing friends.
Where do you want to go for a hike?
In the forest.
How's your mood right now?
Pretty good.
What's something you'd never eat?
Probably snails.
Who's your favorite friend?
I'd say Jack.
Why you love swimming?
It's refreshing.
When you getting up tomorrow?
Around 7, probably.
What's your favorite app?
Instagram.
Where'd you find that cool gadget?
Online.